In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo codes for Origin. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. I'm going to open up any website on my device. I'm going to head on over to Google. Now inside Google, I'm going to type in promo codes for Origin. And now once I've done that, I'm going to click on search. And now we're inside the Google search results. And as you can see, there's a few different third-party sites offering promo codes. So you got Coupon Follow here, don'tpayfull.com, $20 off Origin coupon code. PC Gamer, Coupon Follow again, Marie Claire, Join Honey, We Thrift It, Shopper.com. So you got all the big third-party sites that offer coupon codes. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use couponfollow.com. And now once I'm inside couponfollow.com, I can scroll down and check out all their different offers. So you got get 30% off entire Origin store of codes, save 60% off, save 20% off, etc, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the one that says save 60% off. And now what we want to do is go ahead and copy this code and paste this code at Origin's checkout to enjoy your 60% off. And also you can simply click redeem at Origin and that will redirect you to Origin to save 60% off as well.